Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, sir.
Please form 4 lines. Okay, so our activity for today is called cooperative activity. It is a kind of team building activity. And our activity for today is called blindfolded sack race. And our objectives is to build team coordination and teamwork among the members. Please remember how to do the jumping properly.
Yes, sir.
Would you mind to demonstrate to me how to do the jumping properly? Denver, would you mind to come in front and show them how to properly jump?
No.
One more time. Did you see Denver doing the jumping?
Yes, teacher.
No daw. One more time.
Teacher, nagpapajump, no? Yes, teacher, ang nakita.
Okay, okay na yan. So is that the proper way of jumping?
Yes.
Okay, so would you mind to do jumping all on your own? 1, 2, 3. So we will be using jumping later for our activity. Now I will be showing you our materials. So our materials is a face mask used for your blindfold and is socks that you will be using for the sack race. Spell socks. S-A.
S-O-I-S-A. Teacher, nagalis ba na ito? Teacher, John! Teacher, John! I don't want to use that one already.
Eyes lang naman.
Yes.
And the mouth.
It will go to my, the dirt will go to
Shut
my
up, Queenie.
eyes.
Okay, so ganito yung, this is the mechanics. You have to put this sack on your feet,
Walang pa.
on your legs. Please look at me. Ganito. Put both feet in this.
No, I can't. Substitute. Ay, ang shame. Walang amot. So small. Amot, Sure, wala nakita?
And then yung mga team members ninyo will direct you towards the obstacle. So merong isang team member nyo na nakatayo over there. And siya yung kinaround ninyo.
Siya ang nag-direct. Siya ang direct. Siya ang
And yung pinakamabilis na makakapos ng activity will be the winner. So,
Shakti vlog. Right, left, right, left.
I need someone to direct me towards
Shakti direct.
1, 2, 3, go! Jump forward!
Jump, 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 up, 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 up.
Jump! Left! Left! Left!
Left! Left, sige na. Left, left, left.
basta ka Jai. So that
Ang galing mo, sir. Teacher, alam ko maling nasa.
Amelia!
Shakti Paul.
Amelia!
Siya ang direct. Siya ang direct.
And choose 2 persons to stand as your
Ko lang ni ko ano kayo ang
Two person? Two one. One, two, three, four. Sir! Sir!
Ano ba?
Sir! Sir!
Where are you? I'm not bang
Sir Mark!
Disappointed then.
Sir! Sir Mark! Ano nga? Pag-requestan for
Ko lang no.
Sir!
Yes.
Sir Mark! Nasakit nga yung saka na yun, sir.
So you have to
Ay, doon daw tayo.
Saka daw, batuloy tayo. Round. Nakasaka kayo. Sir, baka mapasugtog si Pamela.
Sige lang, guys. Sikat ko.
Panunutom saan ang activity?
Dito nga rin kayo na. Cellphone na?
Sir Mark, ay natin, ito ko toy. Mare.
So this will be your starting line. And then ang gagawin mo is you have to roam around in front of you and pabalik dito sa starting line and then ipapasa nyo yung sacks to the next person. So kung sino yung pinakamabilis, they will be the winner. Are you ready? Put on the sacks.
Or dapat malito sa submit lang. Ilan per? Yan per. Haan exactly 245. Parikusan kinjara bago apat kanya. Parikusan kinjara.
Ay, Rice.
Bago apat kanya.
Yaman ni Mark, ay sulagot ang bagkun.
Okay lang. At ligaw kayo lang kini Honey, kini Rose. Tapos possibly
Ano yung sama? Go, Ben!
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Ulitin ko lang the
Video lang,
fastest
lagi may
to finish will win the race.
Yun, nagkita na.
And then yung mga members, please.
Bien,
your
bien.
seats.
Bien, Bear.
Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Please guide your
Kulang.
Sige, continue. And you have a winner. Our winner is Group 1. Sige, Group 2.
Mark.
Okay, please go back to your lines.
Amin nga plus 5, batakan niya kapag. Pinangkatin niya sa ako, ginawa. Amin nga ikay din sila.
Okay, please go on your lines. From what we did, ano yung mga napansin ninyo? Yes, meron tayong presence in mind. What about sa
Auditory senses!
what about the moderation?